Alright. This Benny in his favorite water. He's got water all over his face and head. Oh my goodness, he loves water. You crazy, Benny?
Like, why am I still here and watching you?
Oh my gosh, Benny. Did you love that water, huh? Yeah, good boy. Huh. You're just not biting me because you love the water so much, I think. It's cute.